This video demonstrates how to use Cloud Secure Print to print a document emailed to a Brother device. On your Brother device, press Apps. Press Cloud Secure Print. Read any information that appears and then press OK. When the two-step printing information appears, press OK. Press How to register a print job. Press Email. When the Brother device's email address appears, press OK. Registration instructions that include the Brother device's unique email address will print. Attach your document to an outgoing email and send it to your Brother device's unique email address. You will receive a confirmation email that contains the password to enter on your Brother device. On your Brother device, press Apps. Press Cloud Secure Print. Press Enter Password. Enter the password and then press OK. Your document will print.